youth of the nation are the trustees of posterity. Thus it becomes imperative for the schools to gauge their feelings, thoughts, what lurks in their minds about the society that they are part of.
The universal religion of love teaches us to love every child of God as much as we can, and remember that the possibilities of good are greater than the possibilities of evil. Thus, the essence of any religion is a good heart.
Recently, City Montessori School Rajajipuram Campus 2 organized the 4th International Youth Festival, through which the campus reached out to schools around the globe, offering them international platform to unleash creative ideas in fields as diverse as expressions like calligraphy, drawing and shading, poster making, myriad hues, collage and cover design entries, poetry in voice, and photo montage. At a glittering prize distribution ceremony held online by the convener of the festival, principal of the campus, Mrs. Poonam Arora, in the presence of the chief guest, Dr. R.P. Singh, Professor of English, Department of English and Modern European Languages, University of Lucknow, here are the excerpts of the event.
To welcome Professor R.P. Singh, our chief guest of the 4th International Youth Festival 2020, which is being organized by City Montessori School, Rajajipuram Campus 2. An award-winning playwright, poet, essayist and academician, Dr. R.P. Singh is the Professor of English at the Department of English and Modern European Languages, University of Lucknow. With approximately 150 research papers and articles, Professor Singh is credited with 34 books published from the publishers of international repute. He has delivered approximately 150 extension lectures as the keynote invitee, plenary and guest speaker in training programs, refresher, orientation courses, extension, skill development courses. He has approximately 120 presentations in conferences and seminars. He has funded foreign assignments to his credit, to be briefly put up as those at the Department of Gender Studies, Central European University Budapest, University of Rouen, France, Maison des Sciences, Del Homs in Paris, and writer in residence, Uzbekistan. His writings on diverse subjects of literature, culture, art and Indian studies are published from leading international publications like Oxford University Press, Sage, Springer, Blackwell, Macmillan, ABC, Clio, Warsaw University Press, New York, Springer, Amy Sharp Incorporation, USA, and Dr. Ambedkar Fellowship Award 2006, and many other achievements. It is a long list of achievement of Dr. R.P. Singh. Any words of praise for his achievement will be utterly insufficient. I welcome Professor R.P. Singh as the chief guest to this function.
The International Youth Festival is an attempt to celebrate the immense power of youth, who can be a great force in transforming the world. They are the ones who will be carrying the legacy forward. We need to empower them with those skills and competencies which will serve to make them great leaders of tomorrow, who will lead the way to hope, peace and unity in the world.
One thing I would really appreciate is your substantial preparation toward the challenges that require critical thinking ability, to be more organized I would coin the term game. You can say G-A-M-E. For you people seem to me the best player in the game of eventual discovery for defining success. Let me be a little more like a teacher to help understand the coinage of the term game, that is G-A-M-E. G stands for gratitude. I have seen with the students and the students that are associated with this seat of learning. G stands gratitude. A, that is acceptance, then M, that is meaning, and E, that is examining and evaluating the energy to live up to the interest that society looks for, and you being the game changer, dear students. So, dear students, it's great to find you all taking part in this youth festival and achieving your vision. You are so creative, you are so novel, you are so festive. You generate and recognize ideas. You are the alternative and you are the possibilities, my dear students.
City Montessori School, the world's largest school as per the Guinness Book of World Records, is committed 100% to its young force in preparing a global mindset towards world unity and peace.
तेरा नाम ही मेरा आरोग्य है, तेरा स्मरण ही मेरी औषधि। एक ही छत के नीचे हो अब सब धर्मों की प्रार्थना, एक ही छत के नीचे हो अब सब धर्मों की प्रार्थना।
The 4th International Youth Fest by the campus aims to promote cross-cultural awareness amongst the youth, as CMS shows how the aim of education, which is a continuous and creative process, is to develop the capacities latent in human nature and to coordinate their expression for the enrichment and progress of society by equipping children with spiritual, human, and material knowledge.
We find a way
Just people out there,
to feel the same.
if we help each other.
The reason why it is significant is because the truth is that the youth have the greatest stake in what happens to the world. Because they have the longest to live, they will have to bear the consequences of what is happening around us today. They will have to live with those consequences, and therefore it is very important that they get engaged with the affairs of the age rather than just being passive recipients of whatever today's generation of adults leaves for them. Since they have the greatest stake, it's good if they come forward and they seize the leadership of the agenda to the extent possible. And one young person who did that is Greta Thunberg, the 16-year-old teenager from Sweden. She's a youth. She's one youth among probably 2.5 billion youth in the world. And she took the leadership. She took a particular concern that seemed in her mind to be a very major concern in the world.
And she said, I'm going to do something about this. I'm going to make a stand. And she took her stand. And we know the rest of what happened. She was able to garner a huge deal of support from the youth throughout the world. And through social media, her message had so much appeal that when it came to the use of social media, she was very effectively able to take her concern, her voice across the world. So the social media, often the adults around you will bemoan the fact that the social media has so much that is negative about it. But also look at the power of social media in uniting the youth of the world around the issue of climate change. And see how one youth took up that issue and made it a major concern that leaders of the world should think about. And she dared to dare the world and to say, how dare you rob us of our future by not taking principled, tough action right now on climate change issues.
My dear friends, it is my proud privilege to propose a vote of thanks. University of Lucknow is our alma mater and we are product of that university, sir. All the schools from so many countries and from India, these schools are so prominent schools, I cannot think of them that they will participate in this International Youth Conference. But they have not only participated, but they have won the prizes. They are the top achievers. Congratulations to all the students of Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Thailand, Hong Kong. Thank you very much, all the teachers, all the children, all the staff, because your theme was on world unity and world peace. And who can bring peace if you do not? Vivekanand ji said, give me 50 youths in India and I will remove the poverty. Thank you very much. Jai Jagat.